What's going on, guys? Welcome back to NB Edits. Today we're going to be doing some walleye fishing down here at Moon Dam in Mosinee, Wisconsin.
This is Brandon and I's second time out this week. The first time was kind of a failure. We still ended up catching some walleyes.
I managed to get into about 2 or 3 of them. The day wasn't as great as we thought. The flowage was coming in way more than we expected to, so it's kind of hard to fish down there. But today things are looking good. As you can see, no launching boats today due to the high flowage, but luckily we brought our kayaks. Let's do it.
There we go. First walleye of the day. He came up and slammed it. He wanted it really bad. Nice little walleye. There we go. A little more weight on it. Oh, there it is. Coming up. Coming up. Yeah, it's a better walleye. There we go. That's the size we're looking for today. Nice walleye. Hooked up top. We get it out. There we go. Popped right off. Beautiful.
Let's see that thing. That's a beautiful walleye.
We're out here at Moon Dam. We're just doing some jigging again. We got a deep pocket right behind me. This thing came up and just absolutely destroyed my jig. That's awesome. We're gonna try to get some more. Just got another walleye here. Not as big as the last one, that's for sure. But still, nice walleye. We're just out here. We are on the drop off. And they're just stacked up on there. Let this guy go. See you later. Technique is pretty simple today. We're just using any ordinary 1/8 ounce jig. This one is pink. And then I am tipping it with power bait. This is the white. And I'm just taking 4 rings and putting that up on the jig. And then we got our minnow. Putting the minnow on like so. And we're just doing some jigging, just like that, simple as that. Got another walleye. Doesn't seem as big. That's a nice little walleye. This one's super light colored. Again, just they're coming in and they're just dominating this jig. We're just jigging right offside the ledge. Brandon's over there. This one just came up and hit it. See you later. Last one was milking, this one's squirting eggs out. I got a whole mess over here. A whole dirty mess. I just got another walleye. Pretty small. That's okay. Same spot. Nice. See you, Frank. Frank was getting rowdy. I had to let him go. I know. That's what I'm saying. Like the ones that have been hitting today have just been like slamming it hard. Like they'll just come in and destroy that minnow. No ticking at all. It's just domination mode. Oh my god, and then I just absolutely missed him. I don't even think he was hanging on. That's great. Got another walleye. Ugh. Oh, that one was spitting up. Woo! Look at him milk all over the place. That is just what I wanted. Fish just came up and smoked that pink jig again. Nice little guy. Well, I'm hooked up. Brandon is getting some minnows.
I'm trying to get some minnows. I have broken off 3 or 4 times today, but hey, Nick's got one here.
I've only caught about a lot, actually. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. Just boat flipping walleyes. That's what we do here on NB Edits. Definitely the smallest one of the day.
See you, little guy.
I give it to me, Mr. Walleye. That thing is aggressive.
Well, since I can't catch a damn thing today, might as well be your cameraman.
Yeah, Brandon's just being a good old cameraman today. Nice little walleye. About, I don't know, the 15th walleye of the day for me. It's pretty fun out here. We're just fishing the drop off. Like I said, Brandon's doing the camera work. That's why you haven't seen him catch a fish.
Not yet, but I'm coming back to slay, alright?
He says he's coming back.
Oh my lord. That's stupid. That's what that is.
Here, let me see it.
All day.
Brandon.
All day.
Brandon has not had the best luck today.
All day.
As you see, minnow's just ripped in half. No fish.
All day. I might as well just cast this back out there. I'm not gonna catch one anyways.
I don't believe it. Brandon's actually hooked up.
This is real life. It's not on. You couldn't get my GoPro. I'm glad you got yours. This is real life. This is Brandon freaking Ocean.
I don't even believe it. But it happened, everybody. Congrats on the first.
It only took like over an hour, but my dinky little walleye. Hey, well, that's good. See you later, buddy.
Is it? There you go. Brandon's hooked up again. I don't know if that's good because I haven't caught one in a while. And here Brandon comes. Nice. There we go. Another walleye. There we go. Hook comes right out. It's about the same average size of the day. Like a 13, 14-inch walleye. But that's okay. Still fun to catch. Yes, it is. Another walleye. Still fishing that same spot. Another small one. But that's okay. Oh man, I thought you were gonna have one right when I had that. Oh, here's one. There's one. Oh boy. Another short. But they are stacked up in there. Awesome. Nicer? Must be.
I think I'm hooked on you.
No, you're good. There you go. Nice walleye. Thought that thing was a lot bigger than what it was.
Oh, there it is. Another little one for Brando. Thanks, buddy. Anytime.
Another walleye. This one demolished that jig. Wow. See you later. Come again. This is it. Oh, I got one, I got one. Oh my God. Oh my God, I missed him. Oh my God. Well, that's a sign to leave. Well, all right, let's go home.
All right, guys, well, we're gonna be heading out. Got into a lot of nice sized walleyes today.
Just like last time, we were out down below the dam using our kayaks. If you guys are interested in the kayaks that me and Brandon use, Brandon's is a Muskie angler and mine is a NuCanoe Frontier 12. Both of them will be linked down in the description.
Personally, I'm definitely thinking about making the switch. It's a little bit more in price, but the Frontier 12s, they're crazy. If you haven't checked out the NuCanoes, make sure you do that. They're amazing. They are so great for fishing. Nick loves his, and I'm looking forward. I'm going to be getting mine hopefully in a couple weeks here, so looking forward to that. Glad we can get out and fish today. Caught a lot of nice sized walleyes. It was a lot of fun. So next edit, I believe, is going to be coming from Nick in Florida. So get ready for that. It's going to be fun fishing the ocean, fishing all over. So should be a good time. Stay tuned for more from NB Edits. Tight lines, guys.